Meet the 2-in-1 hydrodermabrasion machine, designed to elevate your professional skincare services. Enjoy clothes-free cleaning with an upgraded handle and built-in system for smoother service and extended handle life. Enjoy a stable water flow that minimizes leaks, offering clients a superior, uninterrupted experience. This Black Friday, get limited-time deals on this hydrodermabrasion machine. Don't miss out! Durable metal cases and handles for lasting performance, outlasting plastic models, and maximizing your investment. Versatile heads offer comprehensive care. Plastic tips for facial cleaning, silicone for face and scalp treatments. Lastly, enjoy flexible operation with an easy-to-use hose and touch button for quick solution switching. Ideal for busy professionals. Add the 2-in-1 hydrodermabrasion machine to your business this Black Friday at an unbeatable price. Shop now.